Hello everyone, here is Ben Amson. Welcome back. Today we are on day 17 out of 30-day JavaScript coding challenge on LeetCode, and today task is number 2628, JSON Deep Equal. So we are given two objects, O1 and O2, and we need to check if they are deeply equal or not. The given object will be the output of JSON parse function, meaning they are valid JSON. Deep equality between two objects implies that they have the same keys and associated values, also recursively equal. So if the triple equality checks passes for the two objects, they are considered deeply equal. So let's build a solution to solve this problem. We will be using recursion to achieve deep checking. So first, we check if type are different. If type of O1 is not equal type of O2, return false. Then directly compare if they are not object or nulls. If type of O1 not equal object, or O1 is null, or O2 is null, return O1, O2. So then check if either of them is an array. If array is array O1 or second object is array. If only one of them is array, they are not equal. If not array is array O1 and array is array O2, return false. If they are both arrays but have different length, they are not equal. If O1 length not equal O2 length, we return false. Compare each element. So for I, there's the length, and iterate if are deeply equal, return false. So they are not deeply equal, and return true otherwise. If we reach here, both are objects. So then keys, object keys, object 1, keys 2, object keys, object 2. And if they have different numbers of keys, they are not equal. If keys not equal, return false. Compare each key value paired. So for keys of keys 1, if key 2 include key, are deeply equal, not key O2, return false. And if we reach here, they are deeply equal. Return true. So yeah, here you have the implementation of the code. I don't know whether it's visible total. So we are checking every possible case to see if it's deeply equal or not. So let's run test cases. And yeah, so all test cases passed. So let's go through some example to illustrate this. So if we have x1 and y is 2, so both objects have the same keys, x and y, and their respective values 1 and 2 also match, does the function return true. In case 2, we have y2 and x1, but x1 and y2. So the keys are in the different order, but both x and y exist in both objects and have the same value, so the function also returns true. In example 3, we have x null l 1 to 3 and x null l is 1 to 3 string. The keys is x and y are present in both objects, but the RIL have different values. One has number and the other has strings, therefore function return false. And last case, true and false are primitives and not equal, hence the function return false. So let's check for unseen test cases. Hopefully it will pass. Yeah, this time is pass. As you can see, I have missed previously one checking. So yeah, now it's all good, and runtime bits 40% and memory 46. So with this approach, you should be able to compare deeply nested objects efficiently. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more JavaScript solution. And remember, keep coding, and until next time.